Shocking Instagram marketing facts to consider. As popular as Instagram is as a platform, both for personal use and for doing business, there is a lot of stuff that is under most marketers' radar. Here are some of the most inspiring Instagram marketing facts that you should consider when creating your own profit-generating campaigns. Over 700 million people use Instagram on a monthly basis, with 400 million of those active on a daily basis, making it one of the largest online audiences that any business can aspire to reach. Instagram posts earn 58 times more engagement per follower than Facebook posts on average, and 120 times more engagement per follower than Twitter posts, making it a must in your social networks to be in list. Instagram users share an average of 95 million photos and videos on a daily basis, with even more expected growth in the coming years. 60% of Instagram users have said that they have learned about a new product or service thanks to posts on the platform. 80% of Instagram users are from outside the United States, which represents a big opportunity for businesses to reach a global audience. 31% of American women use Instagram, outnumbering the 24% of American men using the platform, which is great news, especially if your business targets the younger female demographic. Currently, a whopping 48% of U.S.-based brands use Instagram for marketing purposes, and that percentage is expected to grow to 70% by the end of 2017. 75% of Instagram users take action after seeing a promoted post. Such actions are driven by calls to action on these promoted posts, such as website visits, which means that, on average, your business has a higher chance of converting followers into customers by being on Instagram. In this sense, B2C businesses, or business-to-customer businesses, are the ones that benefit the most from being on Instagram. This is mostly due to the fact that buying a pair of sunglasses is an easier decision to make for a potential customer after seeing a beautiful picture of them on Instagram. Brands with Instagram accounts surpassing the 100,000 followers mark have grown a whopping 163% in just 2 years. So make sure to take advantage of what you will learn in this training to make those numbers grow for you as well. The secret behind why marketing on Instagram is such a successful strategy can be explained with science, as Instagram has devised a platform that allows its users to process content 60,000 times faster through image posts than, say, simple text ads, with people remembering 80% of your marketing message in your Instagram promoted posts. There is a very specific set of hashtags that have been determined to be the best for marketing campaigns on Instagram, including hashtag contest alert, hashtag sweepstakes, hashtag giveaway, hashtag discount, hashtag travel, hashtag deal, and hashtag small biz.